Welcome to the Curious 10, where every fact opens a new mystery and the answers spark more questions. Today we're heading into the vast unknown, the final frontier, space. You think you know space? Think again. From diamond planets to cosmic smells, these are the top 10 crazy space facts you won't believe. 10. Space smells. Like burnt steak? Yes, astronauts say space has a smell. After spacewalks, when they return inside the International Space Station, they describe an aroma like burnt steak or welding fumes. Scientists believe it's caused by high-energy vibrations of atoms that mix with air once astronauts re-enter. So space smells like a cosmic barbecue. Strange, but true. 9. There's a giant cloud of alcohol floating in space. Near the constellation Aquila lies a massive gas cloud called Sagittarius B2, and it contains 10 billion liters of alcohol. That's enough to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. Before you grab a straw, though, it's methyl alcohol, the toxic kind. Still, it's wild to think the universe literally brews its own booze. 8. Venus spins backwards. While most planets spin in the same direction as they orbit the Sun, Venus said, "Nope, I'll go the other way." It rotates backwards. That means if you stood on Venus, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east, the opposite of Earth. Even crazier, a day on Venus lasts longer than a year. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. 7. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. If you ever feel small, consider this. Astronomers estimate there are about 200 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. That's more stars than every grain of sand on every beach and every desert on Earth combined. Each star could have planets, moons, maybe even life. The universe isn't just big, it's beyond imagination. 6. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds. Yes, a diamond planet. About 40 light-years away lies 55 Cancri E, a planet believed to be made mostly of carbon with extreme pressure that could create diamond layers beneath its surface. It's twice the size of Earth and 8 times heavier. If we could mine it, its diamonds would be worth quadrillions of dollars, though reaching it might be the tricky part. 5. Space isn't completely silent. You've probably heard space is silent, and mostly it is. But in some areas filled with gas and plasma, sound can travel. Black holes, for example, create low-frequency sound waves by vibrating hot gas around them. In 2003, NASA actually detected a note from a black hole, a B-flat 57 octaves below middle C. So the universe is humming, we're just not tuned to hear it. 4. Time moves differently in space. Einstein's theory of relativity proved that time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields. Astronauts orbiting Earth experience time slightly slower than we do on the ground. When astronaut Scott Kelly spent nearly a year aboard the ISS, he returned 5 milliseconds younger than his twin brother. That means space travel is literally a form of time travel, just very, very small. 3. A neutron star spins 700 times per second. When massive stars explode, they can leave behind neutron stars, ultra-dense remnants with mind-blowing power. Some of them, called pulsars, spin up to 700 times every second. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh as much as a mountain. These spinning cosmic beasts redefine extreme. 2. There's a cold spot that might be another universe. The cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, is supposed to be uniform. But scientists found a strange cold spot that's cooler than the rest. No one knows why. Some think it's just an empty region of space, while others believe it could be a scar between our universe and another one. Yes, maybe even evidence of the multiverse. Imagine another version of reality right next door. 1. Black holes can spaghettify you. Black holes have gravity so powerful that not even light can escape. Get too close and you'll experience spaghettification. That's when the gravity difference between your head and feet is so extreme that you're literally stretched into a long, thin strand of atoms, like spaghetti. It's terrifying, fascinating, and one of the strangest fates in the universe. Bonus fact: the Big Bang wasn't the end, it was the beginning. The universe has been expanding ever since, and it's speeding up. Scientists think it's due to dark energy, a mysterious force pushing galaxies apart. Billions of years from now, galaxies will drift so far away that their light won't reach us. Future beings might look up and see only darkness. Space isn't just emptiness, it's a cosmic riddle full of wonders we can barely understand. The deeper we look, the stranger it gets. Which of these space facts blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the stars, hit that subscribe button, because here on The Curious 10, every fact opens a new mystery, and we're just getting started.